my gosh, you hit the jackpot. It's so heavy. Lift up your Amazon mystery box. Oh, how heavy do you think it is?
20 pounds.
40 pounds?
40 or 20.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, you hit the jackpot.
What is this?
Those are fake nails. Ah.
These are for you.
Yes, those are for me. Oh, wow. I wish I got that one. What's that? What is that? Jewelry? What is that? Oh my goodness, you got so many fake nails. Oh, what is that? What is it? Oh, they're so cute. Oh my, you got so many fingernails. Oh my God, that's so cool. Wow, look at all that. Ooh, what is that? Oh, fluoride rinse. Great for you. That's all this stuff is brand new. What is this? Get naked. Just kidding. This is a half bath. Don't make it weird. Oh, we can put this in our bathroom. Okay, come on, show us. What is that?
A blanket.
A blanket? Okay, you got a blankie. Oh, shake it. What is it?
Put it open.
You got chips. Oh, what is this? A staple? It's like a desk set. This is a really good box.
What do I do?
What is that? Let's see. It's a phone case for the Pixel 6. You got a bag of chips, more phone case, more get naked signs. What is that? Little bags? Oh no, this is like, looks like a happy birthday thing.
A metal pole.
No, I don't think that's a metal pole.
More chips.
That is, I don't know what that is. Pulling out stuff too fast for me. Whoa, that's a big old box. What is that? Merry Christmas. You got some more of these little things. What are these? Oh, this is the Stanley Cup straw. Straw. You put it on top. It's an ornament? Oh, yeah, it's an ornament. Okay. We got a few more things. Ooh, that one looks like something interesting right there. Grab this one. What is that? A Batman and the Penguin figure action.
Okay. What's in here?
Luxury cozy plush blanket. Let's just feel it. Ooh. Oh, it feels like the animals. Let's see. We got a card. And then we got a book. All this stuff. This is like brand new stuff, guys. All brand new. It's a comic book. It is a comic book. Okay, I will say this box was a winner. Yeah?
Lots of.
Lots of fingernails. I'm excited, guys. I'm stocked up.